Hi, I'm Daniel Hunt. I'm a certified legal specialist in estate planning, trust, and probate law. Getting sued by a beneficiary is every trustee's worst nightmare. While litigation is expensive and stressful, it probably isn't the end of the world. Our law firm has defended many trustees from lawsuits over the past decade. Here are 5 tips on what to do and avoid doing if you're sued as a trustee. 3 things to do. First, do hire an experienced trust and estate litigation attorney. Did you know that most trust attorneys have little to no experience in litigated matters? Trust and estate litigation is a specialized niche. Just as you'd want to use the right tool to fix something that's broken, you want to find the right attorney to help fix a problematic trust administration situation. Some attorneys will offer a no-cost consultation to review your case details and any relevant documents you may have. We prepared an instructional video on how to prepare for a trust litigation consultation, which we'll link in the description box below. One of the tips we share in that video was to always be transparent with your attorney about your past actions as the trustee. If mistakes have been made, be open about them in your first consultation. We do not recommend lying to your attorney because when the truth comes out, and it will eventually, this revelation will inevitably weaken your position. We encourage you to be honest from day one. Consider using personal funds to pay the retainer when you hire your attorney. While it may be tempting to use trust assets to finance your legal representation, there's a downside to this strategy. If you pay your representation with trust funds and later are removed as trustee, the new trustee will receive your entire legal file. Financing with personal funds preserves your attorney-client privilege and keeps your file confidential indefinitely. Second, do keep fastidious records. In our trust administration series, we discuss the critical nature of keeping accurate records. If a beneficiary brings a lawsuit against you, this becomes even more imperative. Third, do put communication in writing if you are in the right. The opposite is also true. Don't put communication in writing if you're in the wrong. Written communication as trustee can either vindicate or condemn you, depending on the nature of the contents. For example, if the communication reveals that you are breaching your fiduciary duties under the California Probate Code, it is not going to work in your favor. But as long as you are doing what you should be doing, written evidence provides support for your legal case. What to avoid if you're sued as a trustee. First, don't ignore the lawsuit. When confronted with danger, all humans tend to react instinctively with one of 2 responses, fight or flight. You can either stay and fight a predator off or run away. For trustees facing a lawsuit, the flight instinct tends to mean you bury the head in the sand, ostrich style, and try to ignore the legal action. Hiding from a lawsuit to try to avoid conflict or consequences will probably not work. Instead, try a proactive approach that addresses the problem directly. A high-quality trust litigation attorney will fight off the attack for you so that you can breathe again. Second, don't tell the beneficiaries, "I'm in charge," when threatened with a lawsuit. Some trustees lean towards the instinct to fight off the attack. They may try to aggressively assert control or dominate the beneficiaries. Remember, the trust assets belong to the trust beneficiaries. You may have been appointed as the caretaker for these assets, but they're not yours. Your powers as a trustee do have limits under the probate code, and using them unwisely will hurt your case. Bottom line, don't be a hothead, stay humble, and avoid unnecessary aggression. Let your attorney handle the fighting on your behalf. If you have questions about trust litigation or need defense against the lawsuit as a trustee, please feel free to contact our office. Thanks. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like more information on estate planning or our law firm, you can check us out on Facebook, Twitter, or our website that are listed below. If you'd like to contact us, you can do so at 916-488-9788 or at our email info@dhtrustlaw.com. Thanks.